Good afternoon, folks. Roman Spriggs here at All Things Automotive. This afternoon, we're taking a look at a beautiful 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander with 13,957 miles on it. You can get your first glimpse here and notice the eye candy that this car is. Good-looking vehicle. It has the black smoked-out rims with the black mirrors to accent the black, and then, of course, down around the bumper area, you can see the beauty there as well. Very aesthetically pleasing to the eye. This is a third-row vehicle, under $20,000, right there at the $20,000 mark, equipped with all of the frills and thrills that you would want in a third-row vehicle. Just taking a look around here just to give you an idea of the visual and the curbside appeal that this vehicle has. You'll notice also in the mirrors it has the integrated turn signals to let those passerbyers aware that you are turning. You'll notice the fog lamps in the front of the vehicle, and again, very, very nice looking vehicle. Again, I want to show you the idea that we do provide 2 keyless entry fobs with the vehicle. As we step in the driver's side door, you'll notice that it does have the proximity key with the push button entrance. Really good for grocery shopping areas, tight areas, especially for women and men who fumble a lot with their keys. We just walk up, as long as the key is in your person in good proximity, we just simply push the button and it unlocks so you can get in. Again, once in the vehicle, keys do not have to leave your pocket. We just push the start button, and keys are safe and secure, and you always know where they are. Great perk. Don't think about that much. We've all been in that situation where the key is nowhere to be found and we need to go quick. So very good perk there. You'll notice that we look at the information system and it does show the 13,957 miles. We do also offer a Carfax with this vehicle. It is a Carfax one owner, you'll notice there, and then it does not have any accidents, and the Carfax is free and clear. First thing everyone looks at when they look at the Carfax, so you know that heads up before you come in and take a look at this beauty. As we get in, obviously we're going to have power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. We also have a lane departure warning system, forward collision control, forward collision alert as well. This can be, if you're concerned, can be disabled. Sometimes people think the beeps and the sounds are annoying. However, it is a safety feature that's added with the vehicle standard. You'll notice in the mirror that's going to be your alert system when you do encounter a vehicle in your blind spot. It's going to alert you there. If you go to turn on a signal to turn in that lane, it's going to beep red and give you a nice series of beeps to alert you that someone's in that blind spot. Another safety feature. You'll notice as we look at the steering wheel, you're going to notice that it has the hands-free phone system and voice command, so you don't have to be distracted while taking or while receiving calls or making calls for that matter. You'll notice that we have the audio controls here for the volume and tune stations, and then to skip when you're streaming audio device as well. You notice that it does come equipped with cruise control, push button start, which we went over. You'll notice that the really simple multimedia screen, phone screen, your settings, the info on the vehicle. It does have your dual climate zones. Passenger and driver can enjoy their own comfort of whichever they're comfortable with. You'll notice again has a button for the to enable and disable the lane departure warning. You'll notice that it is an all-wheel drive vehicle, so you can again toggle the all-wheel drive on so you know that you have that safety there. Also located back there on the center stock is the controls for the heated seats, electronic parking brake, and as we look around, some of the other creature comforts are going to provide us with the auto dimming mirror with the compass and home link, where we can set your garage door opener and program that, so again, easy access in and out of your garage. As we look above, beautiful sunroof here for, again, to give you some space and to give you some air during the summertime. As we step to the back, we'll take a look at the seating capacity. Seating capacity here is going to be a 7-passenger vehicle. You'll notice in the back we have the rear seat, and then we have the ultimate third row seat as well. As we go to the back here, as we pull up the hatch and look in the rear, again, it gives you a capacity for 7 seats. If we're only going to be using the front 2 rows, we just simply pull up on the hatch there, pull up on the hatch here, and I'm going to have to adjust the second row here for a second, sorry. And that's done simply by reaching down just as you would on the front 2 seats. And you'll notice the cargo area that it gives you with the rear seats folded down. Also going to give you a 120 watt 12 volt plug in the back for charging devices or for camping. We'll also notice that it is an easy latch as well. That's just a spot for the backup camera here on the back hatch. And again, it lets you know that this is the limited edition. It is also equipped with the S all-wheel drive control. And again, it is the Outlander limited edition here at All Things Automotive. As we take a walk down the passenger side, again, you'll just see the beauty of the vehicle. And lastly, but not leastly, we'll go around the vehicle and look for anything that may be bumps, scratches, dents, dings. At first glance, there was none, but we'll go around to give you that informed buying experience. We want to be transparent in all those areas. So at first, looking at the hat or looking at the hood area, I don't see any chips, which is good. Bumper all in place. As we get down, shut the door. We'll go around the side. New tires all the way around. That's always a good thing. Hatch area, again, no scratches, no dings. You'll notice that there is a little marking here on the bumper. And as we get down the passenger side, I see a little ding here. Just a little ding, door ding. And other than that, really good shape. Again, nice looking 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander, 13,957 miles. Again, this is Roman Spriggs here at All Things Automotive. If you'd like to test drive this vehicle, you could visit us at www.allthingsautomotive.com. You can reach us here at 717-485-4224. Or you can visit us at 21518 Great Cove Road here in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Thank you for your time.